Yeah, I know. It took a little while, but here it is. Smoke alarm test 1 is finally here. I know, this took forever. I know it did. Trust me, smoke alarm test 2 will not take this long. From it. Trust me, it will not take this long at all. Okay? But here's a feature. I got this smoke alarm right here in my hand. So now, test it now. If you notice me doing that, that's because I'm trying to cover my ears because it's so damn loud, and I can't find my earplugs anywhere. Been looking all over the room, looking over the clothes, stuff, and everything. I just can't find it. But here's the long-awaited smoke alarm test 1. It's only number 1 so far. Anyways, here is what we've got. I've got a smoke alarm, as I did say, ionization smoke alarm. Now, when I test the test button, hold the test button in, what happens is the little LED in it, which is there, put it in a little closer, you should see it. By the way, the LED, when I click the test button, it just does a little blink, like it does as normal ionization smoke detector or alarm. Smoke alarm or smoke detector. But anyways. Oh, we got about, well, at the moment we've got 3 in the house. We do. This one, which is my own one. We've got 1 in the hallway and 1 downstairs living room with alarm. You know what? Before I test this one, let me just see if I can show them real quick. Anyways, I got to take the AC power off for the 40 seconder. Let me just put it down there a sec. Anyways, see, my t-shirt looks cool, doesn't it? First, oops, that's one of the detectors up there. They're don't know what kind they are, but anyways. Let me walk back into my room quickly and we'll get on with the test. First, let me put the AC power back on the computer, then back to normal AC power. Oops, screensaver just came in anyways. 1 second, guys. Oh, I got this cold and my toes in pain and everything. So anyways, now just do what it says. Press and hold it right. By the way, this is a quite big test button, by the way, if you noticed that. But anyway, let's test. I'm going to do it because it's loud. I have to do it because it's loud. I can't find my headphones anywhere in this room. That's because it's a mess in here. Washing over there and stuff and everything. So yeah, couldn't find them. I couldn't find them anywhere. If by any chance, I'll just go over. Actually, wait. I'll do this instead. But I know it's not easy, but I can't find my headphones. They are in here somewhere. I just can't find them. That's all. So ready? 3, 2. This is gonna be loud. 1. Gosh, that is loud. That probably went right through your ear holes. At least I covered mine anyway. Even the LED flashed on it when I pressed the test button as well. It did? Didn't you notice that? Anyways, so hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know it took long. I know this thing took a long time to load because of busy in school and stuff. Anyways, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this smoke alarm video. And just before I stop, I'll just show you it quick. There you go. See it better, can't you? Yeah. Up and down, the side, and the side. Anyways, so hope you enjoyed watching this video. Goodbye.